So the cool thing about the keys, I mean, you can do it on any MPC, but having keys here makes you work different. So it's been making me like make loops. You know, I've been working on my composition pack. And when I make a loop, I immediately sample it and then make a beat with it. So I made this loop. Just a 4-bar loop that doubles, you feel me? And I took that loop and then I made another sequence. I just literally just made this, and I made this. That's why this shit is the cheat code, y'all. Everybody who's sleeping on it, that's fine. It's not for everybody, but people who like MPC workflow but wanted to get on the keys, and me, I wanted to sample myself more, you feel me? So that's what I've been doing. I've been sampling myself from guitar, but also just making loops here like I did on sequence. Let's see, sequence. No, sequence 1 has nothing. Sequence 2 made a loop. I'm not sure why it's not, because it's on sequence 1. Go back to sequence 2. Made a loop. Then took that loop and flipped that loop. So I could take this, and this could be my first. That's what I'm probably gonna do too. I'm gonna go into song mode. Where we at? Insert, make number 2, put 2 there. That's an 8-bar. I gotta go back into it and change that from 8 to 4. Now go back to song mode, and then drop in 3. Put that at like 4 times.